Hi guys, this is Ravikran. Welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to test the acceleration of this Tata Altroz 1.2 liter Revetron engine. So this is a petrol version. So without getting late, let's get inside the car. Now I'm using the variable band Altroz. I'm going to unlock it, and let me show you the interior. So this is how the basic interior looks like. So if you want to see the futuristic video of this car, you can click the link from my iCard so that you can watch my futuristic video of this car. So in this particular video, I am going to test the acceleration in 1, 2, 3. So in 3 gears, we are going to test the full speed of this car, and I'll also tell you what's the current mileage you get on this vehicle. And before starting the vehicle, those who are watching my content for the first time, please click subscribe button and turn on notifications so that you will get my updates immediately when I upload a video. So let me tell you the power figures of this. So this is an 86 PS power engine which has an 130 Newton meters of torque. So these are some basic figures that this engine is offering us. Also has 2 riding modes, that is the eco mode and as well as city mode. So this is the drive selection option.
City drive mode activated.
And if I click one more time,
Economy drive mode activated.
so what we'll do,
City drive mode activated.
let's keep the driving mode in city. I'll turn off the air conditioner so that we'll get the full amount of power, and the power and torque information is also shown in the instrumentation cluster. Pushing the gear into 1. First gear it does at about 50. 6000 is the rev limiter for this one. You can do up to 85 km per hour on second gear. And third gear it does up to 130, which is quite good. Man, the sound on this vehicle is very good. I'm loving the high-end rev band. In fourth gear, we are passing 140, 150, and now we switch the gear into gear 5, and we are doing 155 plus. And it can touch up to 160, and I'm slowing down. So I do not recommend you to guys to go at these high speeds, because I know this highway, so there will be less traffic in this time. So that is why I am doing this speed. So I don't recommend any of you guys to do this kind of speed test. So in the city mode, this does a very good job, and it is showing me the speed limit. As you know, all the BS6 vehicles have speed limit after 80 and 120. Changing the driving mode to eco mode.
Economy drive mode activated.
Let's keep the gear into 1. So there is no wheel spin in economy mode. Okay, the power is little less when compared with the city mode. Actually, the engine is optimizing the power and torque ratios. As you can see, the speed is gradually increasing. It's not getting too fast. So the economy mode is mainly for getting the more mileage on this vehicle, like in day-to-day life. Like if you want to use this vehicle in the city, you can use this car by keeping the driving mode into eco mode, so that a good amount of mileage can be expected. So let me tell you the mileage of this vehicle. You can expect a fuel economy of 19 km per liter at a speed of 80 to 100 at a low rev band. So you don't want to rev the car so high, so you have to keep the RPM at 2000 to 3000 RPM, so that you can achieve a mileage of 19.5 km per liter without any problem.
City drive mode activated.
So just listen to its engine sound. It's almost feeling like I'm driving a sports car. The sound from the 4000 to 6000 RPM is crazy, man. Let me test the braking test. Wow, ABS is working quite well, man. Wheel spin on the first gear. Third gear up to 130 kilometers per hour. This is crazy, man. This is super crazy. So all the power tests that I have done, I have switched the air conditioning off and done the speed test with this. So this is what this car can do. So this is just the quick acceleration test and speed test of this Tata Altroz. So if you want to know the in detail specifications and ride review, you can watch that video from the link in my iCard. So I'll drop that link, so you can watch that videos from that. I hope you enjoy this video. Let's take a U-turn here. Let me give you one more quick drag and just end the video. So that's it for today's video. If you like the video, hit the like button, share the video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And those who are new to my channel, please subscribe, click share and like this video. So, and if you want to talk to me, you can message me on Instagram. My Instagram ID is Ravikiran Kasturi. You can follow me on that. So see you in another video. Until then, bye. This is Ravikiran signing off.